Well, this is a plant I bought today. It's actually Platycodon, commonly called balloon flowers because they have quite a large round flower, and this one looks like it'll be pink. The two I've got in the garden, one is blue and one is white, so I thought we'll get a pink one, and I intend to put it just down here. It's in the same border as the other two, so should be quite good conditions for it. The others thrive, so we'll dig a hole and pop it in. Right, dig a nice hole towards the back of the border actually. Could be more forward, but the others seem to do very well in this sort of position. So there's a decent hole dug, and we'll take it out of the pot. There it is. You can see some root, and pop it in. I think it needs to be a little deeper than that. Dig a bit more soil. Yeah, that's about level, and we'll just backfill it with the soil we took out. So all we need to do now, give it some water. Alright, give it a good dousing. It does tend to be quite dry under this, just near this hedge. And the roots were fairly dry when I bought it, so plants at places like Home Bargains, B&M, etc. don't always get the attention they need. They come in as good specimens, but I think the idea is they've got to be out quickly, so nobody takes a great deal of care of them. But this looks fine, quite happy with it, and for £1.99 I think it's a bargain. Hope that's of some interest to you. Thanks, bye now.